The wait is finally over for action camera enthusiasts. The GoPro Hero 14 Black has officially arrived, and it's bringing features that demand attention. After months of leaks, rumors, and endless speculation, GoPro has finally revealed what this powerhouse can do. From cutting-edge 8K video capture to smarter stabilization, longer battery life, and seamless connectivity, the Hero 14 Black promises to take your content creation to the next level. But here's the real question. Is this a true game changer, or just a subtle upgrade over its predecessor? Today on GadgetVerse, we'll explore every detail, from design and performance to real-world testing, to see if this is truly the ultimate action camera of 2025. Starting with its design, the Hero 14 Black keeps GoPro's signature rugged style but adds thoughtful improvements. It's still waterproof without a case, yet slimmer and sleeker, with better heat management so you can shoot longer without interruptions. Buttons have been redesigned for better tactile feedback, perfect for filming with gloves or in wet environments. The front display now offers a smoother preview with a higher refresh rate, while the rear touchscreen is brighter, making it easier to frame shots even under harsh sunlight. These refinements show that GoPro isn't just adding specs, they're thinking about usability in real-life adventures. Performance is where the Hero 14 Black really shines. Native 8K recording at 30 FPS delivers cinematic visuals rivaling professional cameras, and 4K at 240 FPS unlocks stunning slow-motion footage perfect for high-action sports. The new larger sensor dramatically improves low-light performance, capturing sharper and cleaner shots in concerts, night trails, or indoor arenas. The Hypersmooth 7.0 stabilization ensures buttery smooth footage even in extreme conditions. Whether you're racing down rocky mountains or skydiving at 10,000 feet, GoPro didn't stop at hardware. Creative tools now make filming smarter and faster. AI-assisted framing keeps your subject perfectly centered, while advanced horizon leveling locks orientation even if the camera flips upside down. A dream feature for athletes like snowboarders and gymnasts. Cinematic presets help you capture polished footage without fiddling with settings, and quick capture modes let you start shooting instantly. These features aren't just about performance, they're about making your life easier as a creator. Battery life also gets a serious upgrade. A larger, more efficient battery offers nearly 2.5 hours of continuous 4K recording, and rapid USB-C charging gets you back to 80% in under 30 minutes. Connectivity has improved too, with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, making transfers to your smartphone or the GoPro app faster and smoother. The app itself now boasts enhanced editing, stronger cloud backups, and even the potential for live 4K streaming, letting you share adventures instantly. Taken together, the GoPro Hero 14 Black isn't just another update, it's a significant leap in design, performance, and creativity. Adventurers, athletes, vloggers, or content creators now have a tool capable of keeping up with every vision. From refined design to stunning 8K capture, smarter AI tools, extended battery life, and stronger connectivity, the Hero 14 Black looks ready for anything you throw at it. Now, it's your turn. What do you think about the Hero 14 Black? Are these upgrades revolutionary, or is your current GoPro still enough? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting tech insights here on GadgetVerse.